anti-asthmatic drug, means the drug which are able to treat the asthmatic condition of our body. So before going to anti-asthmatic drug, we have to know about the disease asthma and what are the conditions or what are the difficulties arises during when we suffer from the asthmatic condition. Here the some listed out what are the main signs and symptoms or what are the complication arises during the asthmatic condition. First one is our airway becomes inflammation. Suppose this is our airway, so here the airway become inflamed by triggering some chemicals like that histamines, leukotrienes from the mast cell. In next step, after liberating some chemicals, it produce narrower to the airway, and in next step it also create swelling to the airway, and it also increase the production of the mucus. Here in this diagram we clearly visualize that here some extra number of mucus are produced, and which make difficulties in breathing and which leads to life threatening conditions. We discuss about what are the steps involved in inflammatory reaction in asthmatic condition. First, we inhale the allergen. Allergen means whether it may be pollen grains, whether it may be a dust, or whether it may be any pathogen. Means it is a foreign particles that are we inhale from the surrounding. Next, this allergen bind to immunoglobulin E, and this immunoglobulin E have a binding site for the allergen. And in next step, this allergen bind with this antiglobulin E, and then it release the trigger or release the or increase the release of histamine, and this histamine is responsible for the creation of asthmatic attack. So in one diagrammatic presentation we clearly try to understand this concept. Here suppose this is a mast cell, and in mast cell some mast cell surface receptor are present and in mast cell surface receptor there are some immunoglobulin E present. Means when we any types of allergen when we inhale, that is the first point of the asthmatic attack, it binds with the immunoglobulin E that are present in mast cell surface receptor. Means it produces a complex with the allergen and immunoglobulin E, and then these mast cell have some granules like histamines, leukotrienes that are responsible for the creation of the allergy and asthmatic conditions. These granules are released from the mast cell. Then it leads to produce asthmatic conditions. Means it leads to produce the narrower of the airway tract, and which leads to difficulty in breathing. Means in one line that term is known as bronchoconstriction, and that are create asthmatic condition. Next we discuss about the what are the drugs that are used in treatment of asthma. Means the asthmatic drug classification. Here the drugs are divided into several categories. We discuss briefly further in upcoming videos one by one. So here the brief discussion of the asthmatic drug classification. So first one is leukotriene antagonist. As you know, leukotriene is a chemical mediator that are enhance the allergic conditions in asthma. Here the provide stability to the release of leukotriene, and here the leukotriene antagonist drug like montelukast, zafiralukast. Here lukast suffix are there with the drug name. And next is mast cell stabilizer. As you know, mast cell have different granules like leukotriene and histamines that are responsible for the asthmatic condition and severe allergic condition. Here the drug which provide stability to the mast cell, and here the drug example like sodium chrome glycate and ketotifen. And next category is bronchodilator. Here these bronchodilator categories are further sub-classified into three categories. One is methylxanthine, second one is beta-2 sympathomimetic, and third one is anticholinergic drug. We briefly discuss these subcategories in upcoming video. So simply, in the bronchodilator means it dilate our airway, which make easier for the breathing. And here in bronchodilator, the drug like theophylline, salbutamol, torbutamol, and these are the drugs which are widely used to treat the asthma. And next category is corticosteroid. It is also decrease the release of some inflammatory mediators like cytokines, which leads to asthmatic conditions. And here the drug like prednisolone and hydrocortisone. These are the steroid categories of drug, and these produce prolonged systemic effect. And next one is anti-IgE antibody. Here it is the antibiotics which inhibit the antigen to bind its immunoglobulin E in mast cell surface receptor. And in these subcategories, the drug like omalizumab is used, and this is the most expensive drug among the all.